We will now talk about childhood so that you understand how rapidly the development is happening in that period. So, 7 periods of human development, and the first 3 periods are childhood period, divided into early childhood, middle childhood, and late childhood. We will not talk about middle childhood and late childhood. We'll only talk about early childhood. What is early childhood? Early childhood is the period between 0, from birth till 8, year 8. Child development in these domains are massive. There are millions of nerve cells are being built. What are they doing? What does neurons do? These nerve cells do? They connect your brain with your central system. So your body is sending message to the brain, brain is sending message to the body. That's the process of development, by the way. Brain to hand coordination happens in this phase, right? Brain to different part of body coordination happen at this stage. That's part of natural development, right? Now, when we are talking about childhood, there are some important characteristics of childhood we need to keep in mind. This was one, how the nerve cells are being built, which explains how the child is naturally growing, changing. This is the time when child builds a personality, by the way. You may or may not know. You may see that in their behavior and the way they process a certain situation or a certain concept or communicate or understand or don't understand a little later. But this is the time when the personality or the character in the child is being built. And we've spoken about the impact of environment. Environment is nothing but family, friends, surroundings, schools, anybody who's in touch with the child for a significant period of time is part of that environment. So you've understood the childhood period, you've understood the child growth in this period, you've understood the science behind that growth, all the nerve cells that is being built, and I've given you a few examples. These nerve cells and the growth of these nerve cells even before the child was born was phenomenal, huge. 1 billion nerve cells are created by the time of birth. So imagine the nerve cells that gets created after that. Per minute, there are multiple cells being created.